How to buy ELON meme token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is in pre-sale right now. To be able to buy this token, ensure how much you want to buy. So after this is how much you receive that token. After you click on buy, as you can see, send 0.6 to Sol. So after that, just copy this wallet address, go to your Phantom wallet, click on send here, select the Solana. Now paste this wallet address. So enter that amount that you want to send. After that, click on next. So after you send that amount to that wallet address, which in order you will be able to receive that amount of that token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ELON meme token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.